There are several reasons why Japanese people make noise when eating noodles. When you slurp the noodles, you can breathe in the aroma, along with the air, making it taste even better. The slurping sound of the noodles is said to be proof that the noodles are fresh and delicious. The sound of slurping noodles is appetizing. The sound of slurping noodles indicates that you are enjoying your meal. Also, the sound of slurping noodles is considered polite in Japan. This is because the sound of slurping noodles expresses the feeling of eating the noodles carefully.